Search on for missing 14-year-old mother and baby. Victims killed in fiery St. Anne crash still not identified. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. An Ananda alert has been activated for 14-year-old Jamaica Brown of Brixton Hill District, Mako Clarendon, who has been missing since Thursday, July 11. She is of brown complexion, slim build, and about 154 centimeters or 5 feet 1 inches tall. Reports from the Mako police are that at about 9 a.m., Kamika was last seen at home leaving for school with her baby wearing a white uniform blouse and a black skirt. All efforts to locate her have proven futile. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Kamika Brown is asked to contact the Mako police at 876-833-6154, 119 police emergency numbers, or the nearest police station. Investigators assigned to the St. Anne Traffic Department are still working to identify the two people who were killed in a 4-vehicle crash in Pear Tree, St. Anne on Friday. The collision involved a Toyota Mark X, a BMW X6 SUV, a Hilux truck, and a tour bus. Reports are that at about 3:25 p.m., a ughter tropical tour bus was traveling towards Discovery Bay when the tour bus collided with a Toyota Mark X motorcar, a BMW motorcar, and a Toyota Tundra motor truck, which were traveling in the opposite direction. As a result of the impact with the bus, all 3 vehicles were engulfed in flames except the tour bus that ran off the road into a ditch. The police and Sentence Bay Fire Department were contacted to conduct cooling down operations. The charred remains of 2 people were seen among the debris. The other occupants were taken to hospital for treatment.